Hey everyone, welcome back to the Deep Dive.
Yeah.
Today we're tackling a topic that's so fundamental to our lives. It's about connecting,
Yeah,
building those solid relationships.
absolutely.
Maybe even positively influencing others.
For sure.
And to guide us through this, we're turning to a true classic,
Yeah.
How to Win Friends and Influence People, by the one and only Dale Carnegie.
Oh, an absolute cornerstone.
Yeah.
This book way back in 1936.
36.
I mean, wow, a pioneer,
Yeah.
self-improvement, communication, leadership, you name it.
And it's amazing how these principles,
Still so relevant.
they just stand the test of time.
It's really remarkable.
It really is.
Speaks volumes about human nature.
Yeah, so our mission today is really simple.
Yeah.
We want to extract those key,
Actionable.
actionable lessons
John Carnegie.
that you can put into practice like right away.
Immediately.
Okay, so first up,
Yeah.
let's talk about something that seems so simple,
Oh, yeah.
but is surprisingly powerful.
Powerful indeed.
A genuine smile
Yeah.
and remembering someone's name.
That combination.
Right.
It's magic.
It's like,
It is.
it's incredible.
So powerful.
It's so powerful.
So why is that? Well, at the heart of it
Yeah.
is this fundamental human need
Mm-hmm.
to feel seen,
Recognized.
to feel recognized,
Yeah.
valued, and appreciated.
Yeah, and Carnegie really nailed it
Oh, he did.
when he said
He said,
a person's name is to that person
yeah,
the sweetest and most important sound
the sweetest sound.
in any language.
Exactly. I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
When someone remembers your name,
Oh, yeah.
it's like
Instant connection.
you feel seen.
It's like you matter.
Right. And that genuine smile,
Ugh.
it's that universal symbol of warmth.
It just disarms you.
Makes you feel welcome.
Approachable.
Approachable, exactly.
So our action tip for you,
Yeah.
just make a conscious effort
Mm-hmm.
to remember and use names.
In your next conversation.
Okay, moving on.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the second key principle.
Okay.
Don't criticize, condemn, or complain.
Oh, this one.
I know.
It's tough.
It's so much easier said than done right.
It really is.
Because especially when you feel like,
You're in the right.
yeah, or you're trying to help someone improve
Yeah.
or,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
if we're really aiming to influence positively,
Right.
criticism rarely gets us there.
It really doesn't.
No, it puts people on the defensive
Immediately.
immediately. And then,
Walls go up.
and resentment builds.
Resentment.
Yeah.
Which makes them less receptive
To your perspective.
anything you have to say.
Exactly.
Yeah. So understanding,
Understand.
as Carnegie emphasizes,
Yes.
it's a far more effective approach
It's like that saying,
Yeah.
people don't care how much you know.
until they know how much you care.
Exactly. So
Oh.
before you unleash that criticism,
Take a pause.
pause. Action tip.
Yeah.
Put yourself in their shoes.
Yeah. How would you feel?
Empathy.
Empathy is key.
It's such a powerful filter.
It really is.
Okay, let's move on to our third lesson.
Okay.
This one's interesting.
Right.
Be a great listener.
Mm-hmm.
Encourage others to talk about themselves.
Oh, now this.
I know it sounds counterintuitive, right?
It does on the surface.
Because if you want to influence someone,
You would think.
you'd think you need to do all the talking.
Yeah, talk about your ideas, but
There's a really powerful dynamic here.
there is.
What Carnegie understood was that
People
people are naturally more interested in their own experiences,
in themselves.
their own thoughts,
and
and
their own story.
their own stories.
Yeah.
So by giving them the space
Mm-hmm.
to share,
But share what's
Or-
important to them.
you're making them feel valued,
You're making them feel heard,
heard, seen.
like they matter.
It validates their experiences.
It's huge.
Yeah.
And active listening.
It's not just about being polite.
No, it's not.
It gives you insights
Real insights
into what makes them tick,
your motivations,
Yeah.
their needs.
what matters to them.
Exactly.
So action tip here.
Aim to listen.
Listen more than you talk.
80-20.
80-20, that's a good ratio.
80% listening.
20%
I
talking.
might be surprised.
Not what you learn.
Absolutely.
Okay, building on that.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the fourth key principle.
Okay.
Talk about what interests others.
This one's key.
This is so crucial.
It's about shifting that focus
Yes,
from yourself to them.
and showing genuine interest.
Genuine interests.
And their passions.
Their hobbies, their goals.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
everyone,
Everyone has something.
they care about deeply.
And when you tap into that,
Mm-hmm.
you create a bond,
Connection.
a real connection.
So action tip,
Yeah.
before you connect with someone,
Do a little digging.
think about their interests.
What makes them
What excites them?
what lights them up?
All right, let's move on to our fifth and final lesson.
Okay.
Make the other person feel important
Yes.
and do it sincerely.
Sincerity is key.
So important. This one seems to be
A recurring theme.
a recurring theme for a reason.
And for good reason.
For a good reason.
Carnegie was onto something here.
He was.
This deep human desire
to feel
to
significant
feel valued.
and genuine compliments.
Yes.
Sincere appreciation.
It goes a long way
It really does.
in fulfilling that need.
So it's not about empty flattery.
No.
It's about
Recognizing their worth.
recognizing their contributions,
Their value.
their value.
Mm-hmm.
A sincere thank you.
Can be so powerful.
So powerful.
Sometimes the simplest thing.
Are the most powerful.
Absolutely.
So an action tip.
Yeah.
Reach out to someone today.
Someone who's had a positive impact.
Express your genuine appreciation.
Yeah, make their day.
All right, so
As we wrap up
as we wrap up our deep dive,
the Carnegie's with
the takeaway here is clear.
the quality of our connections
Shapes our success.
in life,
Yeah.
in work, in everything,
And that core
are
principle
woven through all of these lessons.
is the power of making others valued,
heard,
That's a positive
and strong relationships.
I love that.
So consider this.
Mm-hmm.
What if you were to consistently apply
Yeah.
even just one of these principles?
Yeah.
How might that subtly
but significantly.
shift your daily interactions?
Yeah.
The relationships you build,
What kind of ripple effects?
might you create?
I love that.
Something to think about.
Something to think about. Thanks for joining us
Absolutely.
on the deep dive.
See you next time.